Photo Studio AI review. Welcome to the channel Abhay Reviews. In this video, I will be reviewing Photo Studio AI. Capturing memories is such a beautiful thing in the world. But what if you only have one photo and you want to have multiple shots in different clothes and different locations? Then let me introduce you to Photo Studio AI. Let's dive into the review of Photo Studio AI. We will be covering all these points one by one and see all the advantages that you can have. Guys, make sure you stay till the end of this review, as I will also be showing you the demo of Photo Studio AI and how you can get a discount as well. For the discount, just use this coupon code early10 and you can get a $10 discount instantly. Also, if at any point you want to check out Photo Studio AI, just go ahead and click the link in the description below. All the details of OTOs, upsales and discount are present in the description as well. So right now we are at the sales page of Photo Studio AI. It says launch your AI photo studio agency from your kitchen table. No camera, no skills, no studio required. Anyone can do this. If you guys want to see real proof, just go ahead and click the link in the description below and you will enter the sales page where you can see this video where they have made $1,200 within 24 hours. So what is Photo Studio AI? Photo Studio AI is a user-friendly AI software that can help you start your own photo AI agency without any investments in cameras, lighting and studios. And you can see on the screen you can create such an image using just a simple photo in just less than 5 minutes using this AI software. So let's see the demo of Photo Studio AI and understand how it works.
Let's dive in. Once you log in to Photo Studio AI, you can go here and click the upload button. Now just pick any regular photo that you have. Just make sure it's clear with good light and no extra objects. Now upload this photo to the software. Wait a few minutes, and once it's ready, you can choose whether you want to make a photo for LinkedIn or Instagram. Now if you want a professional photo, pick this option. But if you want a casual fun photo, you can pick the other one. Now let's click here and then click generate image. Now just wait a few minutes and let the AI do its magic. It takes less than 5 minutes. And there you go, your perfectly created headshot photo from a boring regular photo. All done in under 5 minutes without a camera, without equipments and without a studio. No skills or experience required.
I hope you understand how Photo Studio AI works now. Also, here's my bonus page that I want to show you. All these exclusive bonuses are waiting for you. This bonus package will be yours once you decide to purchase Photo Studio AI from the link that I have given in the description below. There are total 10 exclusive bonuses that are waiting for you once you decide to purchase Photo Studio AI from the link that I have given in the description below. Let's go further into the review. Here are the benefits that you will get if you decide to purchase Photo Studio AI. Instant AI business that you can start. Future-ready AI software that do all the heavy lifting for you. High-value AI services stand out in the AI market. Low startup cost, high AI profit. Here are some of the early users of Photo Studio AI. They have given 5 stars to this, and these guys are making good amount of money by selling different photos to their clients. And anyone can do this and make passive income for themselves in just 5 minutes. No matter if you are a small business owner, dating app user, social media influencer, actors, models, a local coffee shop owner, anyone can use Photo Studio AI and generate high quality professional photos for themselves. Photo Studio AI is a cutting edge AI technology that offers unique high quality photos. You can become a go-to photo pro in your area. Just upload one photo, the AI will do all the hard work for you and you can get amazing results really fast. You might have seen this guy on the internet. He have made a website which do exactly what Photo Studio AI does. It is a low one-time offer. Also, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if this tool doesn't work for you, you can return it back to the developer. So it's totally risk-free. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Take action now and secure your future success with Photo Studio AI while enjoying my special bonuses. Now it's time for the OTOs. You have 2 options for the front-end, personal and agency edition. If you decide to purchase agency, you can create 70 different AI photos. If you decide to purchase personal, you can only create 10 AI photos. Also, 5 different OTOs are Fast Pass, Pro version, one-click done for you Photo AI, cloud storage for client photos, Photo AI one-click watermark app. All the details of OTOs are present in the description as well. These are the 2 different front-end options you guys have if you decide to purchase Photo Studio AI. First is personal, second is agency/commercial. Personal one costs you $20 and the agency/commercial costs you $32. So take the plunge and witness the remarkable impact it can have on your sales and leads. With Photo Studio AI, you will experience a revolution in customer engagement, taking your business to astonishing new heights. Check out the link in the description for Photo Studio AI and exclusive bonuses. As always, thank you so much for checking out my Photo Studio AI, and I'll see you in the next video.